Everybody knows how to use a buckle waist. Not everybody knows how to use ladder locks. So that part's easy. My assistant is hiding, so I'm not going to show you with an actual baby. But you click it, you get your baby in, and we're just going to approximate. Get that all tied and tight and snug the way you like it. Now when you stand up, just tighten those, snug those up, and now that's really snug, that feels really, really nice, and I have a lot more control. And I don't have to pull this way, which is really hard to do and not very effective. This is easy. When you are all done, you're ready to get them down, you can get them off of your back, and then pull up. Oh, it's your turn? Okay. Pull up on these tabs to loosen it, and now you're ready to go for the next time.